Hey, confused about which bike to buy or want to ride on a city or a mountain or maybe for your kids' first adventure? Stick with me because today I'm going to give you the ultimate beginner-friendly tour of Adventure HQ, what we offer for our customers. Here we go. Hey, I'm Vajahat from Adventure HQ, your one-stop shop for outdoor and active lifestyle gear. Today we are diving into our bike collection, whether you are a seasoned cyclist or just getting started. This video will help you to understand what exactly do you need. Mountain bikes, built for off-road lovers and trail junkies. Road bikes, for the speed lovers. Can't decide between road and mountain bike? Go for hybrid bike. Kids bike, from balance bike for the toddlers to the gear bike for the younger adventurers. Want to go further with less efforts? Electric bike. Still confused? Ask yourself 3 questions. Where you will ride? Off-road, city roads, or both? Who is it fit for? Adult, teen, or child? What is your budget? We have got bikes ranging from 800 AED to premium models above than 10,000 AED. Now question comes, why buy from the Adventure HQ? Expert assistance, free test ride, accessories in one place, after sales support. Bonus value. While you are here, don't forget your essentials: helmet, LED lights, puncture repair kit, and bike locks. Our location. You can find us at Adventure HQ stores across UAE, Dubai and Abu Dhabi, or shop online at adventurehq.ae. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Drop your question in comment section. We would love to help. Subscribe to Adventure HQ for more tips, gear guide and outdoor adventure. See you all on the trail or the road. Until then, keep riding, keep exploring with Adventure HQ.